Hello, this is NathanAhn, and today we're going over the circle problems today. And the first section is mixed word problems. So our first question is, the store is selling 6 packs of Gatorade. You want to buy enough so that everyone on your baseball team can have one. The baseball team has 26 players. How many packs should you buy? How much Gatorade will you have left over? So there's 26 players, so the best amount of packs you should buy is 5 packs. And the reason why is because you will have 30 Gatorades in total, and because there's 26 players, you'll have 4 Gatorade left. For number 2, Palmy has a sequence of numbers. The numbers go 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16, 22. Can you figure out the pattern? What are the next two numbers? So you can see already a pattern. It increases by 1, then by 2, then by 3, then by 4, then by 5, and then by 6. So the next number will increase by 7, and that number will then increase by 8. So the next two numbers are 29 and 37. Number 3. Santa usually reaches my house at 2:17 a.m. every year, but because of reindeer traffic, he was 2 hours and 15 minutes late this year. What time did Santa reach my house this year? So he would reach this time at 2:32 a.m. And the reason why it's because it increases by 2 hours, which makes it already at 2 a.m., and by 15 minutes, which then makes it 32 minutes. So 2:32 a.m. And number 4, me and my 13 friends each have an iron axe. The 14 of us decide to each chop down 5 trees. How many trees are chopped down in total? So the answer would be 70 trees. And the reason why is because we're multiplying 14 times 5 and you get 70. And for number 5, when Jack and Jill stand on a scale together, it reads 214 pounds. When Jill steps off, it reads 125 pounds. How much does Jill weigh? So Jill will weigh 89 pounds. And the reason why is because you're subtracting 214 from 125, which you get 89. And number 6, a lollipop costs 45 cents. I have 2 quarters, 12 dimes, 4 nickels, and 11 pennies. How many lollipops can I buy? How much money will I have left? So you are able to buy 4 lollipops. And you will have exactly 21 cents remaining. And the reason why is because a total 2 quarters is 50 cents plus 12 dimes, which is 120, 150, adding 4 nickels, 20 cents, 190, and 11 pennies, which is 201. So you're able to buy at least 4 lollipops with it, and subtracting 200, you will get 21 cents. And number 7, Captain Haddock has 38 ships in his fleet. Admiral Dachshund has 11 less. How many ships do they have in total? So they will have in total 65 ships. And the reason why is because subtracting 11 from 38, you would get 22. You get 37, and adding 38 plus 27, you get 65. Number 8, a barbell weighs 45 pounds. If I put 3 plates, each weighing 45 pounds on both sides of the barbell, how heavy will the barbell be now? So the total weight will be 315 pounds. And the reason why is because if you add 3 plates, each weighing 45, that would already adding 135 each. So then 135 times 2 will make it 270. And then if you were to add 45, you would get 315 pounds. And number 9, a gross is a dozen dozens of something. If Fred has a gross magical trick and George has 15 magical tricks, who has more tricks? So George will have the more magical tricks here, and the reason why, because If it's a dozen dozens, it's just 12 dozens. So George will be the one having more. And for the last question, for every circus, I need 3 clowns. For every magic show, I need 2 jugglers. If I want the same amount of clowns as magic jugglers, what is the least number of circuses and magic shows I need? So you would only need 2 circuses and 3 magic shows. And the reason why is because if you have 2 circuses, you have 6 clowns, and you have 3 magic shows, you'll have 6 jugglers. And you want the same amount of clowns as magic jugglers. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.